Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you and tell you about TradingView Premium. So if you want to use it without paying, this is going to be the guide for you. I'll show you all the current ways people get premium features for free, legitimately. So guys, let us talk about it. As you can see, I'm already logged in. Firstly, TradingView free trial offers 30-day free for all premium tiers. So to activate it, you need to just create a new account. It's very easy, guys. Just press on get started for free right here. So just get started. After that, just you can just log in with your Google account. As you can see, I'm all logged in. It's just a dummy account. And guys, now you will be taken to this page where, as you can see, you have 3 plans. You can see the prices for them, of course, on the screen, which are Essential, Plus, and Premium, and they give different perks. Also, guys, they have a referral program. For every friend you invite who subscribes, both of you get $15 in credits. Stack these credits to cover part or all of a premium subscription. Some universities or financial brokers partner with TradingView and offer premium accounts to clients or students. Ask your broker or trading academy if they offer access. Around holidays or Black Friday, TradingView occasionally offers extended trials or huge discounts. Timing your sign-up could get you up to 2 months free. So that's pretty much how to get the premium and use it for free. No sketchy hacks. But if you're actually considering buying this service, right, paying for the subscription, you can choose which one you want, as you can see. But of course, the premium version is going to be the one that will have the most perks. As you can see, some of them are just crossed off, like blank. This means that they're locked. And in here we have almost everything, apart from these things. I suppose these are like in progress and beta as well. So that's the thing. But in general, this is how it's done, guys. Just create a new account and use the service. So guys, that's pretty much it. If you want a link to this service, we will of course provide it in the video description. Enjoy the video, like and subscribe. See you in the next one.